Rangitoto is a volcanic island out in the middle of the Hauraki Gulf in Auckland. So it's a conservation reserve which is run by the Department of Conservation. So what we're doing is building a wharf for them on the southern side of the island, which will be their main access point for getting to the island, but it will also be used by Fuller's Ferries to take their passengers out. I started as a full-time employee with Downer at the beginning of 2013. I knew from my summer work that I really wanted to be involved in a reasonably good-sized project, and it was just fortunate for me that they needed somebody to work on Rangitoto. So I was sent out here to the island as a graduate on this project, and I've been here for the last year.
We have fantastic opportunities for grads in Downer in terms of physically getting out and doing work, and also the contractual side. Brendan has basically been running this project on a day-to-day basis on site. He's contributed fantastically towards the success of this particular project here. It's a fantastic experience for a young graduate to have achieved that, and has been very successful.
I enjoy a lot of things outside of work. I enjoy hanging out with my mates, playing a bit of golf, but my main focus outside of work is rugby refereeing. I referee at the Heartland Championship and in the ITM Cup. I often have to take time out to go and travel, whether it be around the country or occasionally I'll get the opportunity to go overseas. And Downer I've found has been really good about allowing me that time. One of the main challenges for me working on this project was that I didn't have a lot of experience in the construction industry, but it's been really good spending time out here, seeing how the work's got done. I'm learning as I'm working. For somebody joining the graduate program, I think just don't be afraid to learn. Just get onto the job, ask questions, just absorb as much as you can. The people here are just so supportive. The graduate program for me has been outstanding in helping me get started in my career. To be involved in such an interesting project for my first full-time job has just been awesome. Especially out here on Rangitoto on a bright sunny day, it's just marvellous.